Hi, I am Virgil. Today I am going to show how to do basic operation using Excel. We are going to solve matrices. This will be the operations that I will show you. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, solving for determinant, solving for inverse matrix, and solving for the transpose of matrix. Now, let us start. Let's first create matrices by assigning them in the cell to easily manipulate them. This will be the matrices that we will apply the different operations with. As what you saw, we tried to label the matrices so that it will be easy when we do the operations. So, now let us try adding the matrices. Since it is a 3 by 3 matrix, we will highlight a 3 by 3 cell in the Excel. As seen in the Excel, I only inputted equals A plus B, then Shift plus Control plus Enter to automatically show the matrix. If you don't do this, the addition and the form will not work, it will only show an invalid value. Now, let us try the subtraction. Same with the addition, we will input equals A minus B. Since it is subtraction, we use the negative sign instead of a plus, then do the same, Shift plus Control plus Enter to show the matrix automatically. As seen, first the value that was shown was invalid. Since we just entered and input the operation, but in the second it automatically shows the answers. Next is we will gonna use the operation multiplication in solving the matrix. Now, let me show you how. Now we have solved the multiplication. As what we did there, we just inputted equals mmulta, b. Then Shift plus Control plus Enter so that it will automatically show. Next is solving the determinant. Let me show you how. As what I did there, I solved the determinant odd A and B matrix. So, in order to solve the determinant, we just inputted equals mdeterm, or B or any other matrix, then enter to show the determinant. Next is to solve the inverse. Let's try it. As you saw, at first I only entered, that's why only one value showed. Then repeated it, Then the whole inverse matrix was shown when I Shift plus Control plus Enter. That is how to solve inverse. Let's try another sample for inverse. Let us try using the matrix CRM that we added. Then will be the inverse of the matrix we just did the procedure on what we did at the forced example. Lastly, we are gonna solve for the transpose of a matrix. Let us see and understand how to do it. As we tried to solve for both A and B matrix for their transposed value. What we did is that we only highlighted a 3x3 cell, same with the previous examples. Then inputted equals transpose, or B or any matrix you like to transpose, then Shift plus Control plus Enter to automatically show the value of the transposed matrix. That's all. Hope you'd like the video and understand more on how to use Excel in solving matrices operations. Thank you and have a nice day.